This is your Donnelsville Elementary Announcements.
Good morning, Donnelsville. This is Mrs. Strader broadcasting live from Donnelsville Elementary. Today is Thursday, August the 30th, 2012. Welcome to our substitutes. Mr. Sykes is here in the library today. Thank you for being with us. And we have some birthdays to celebrate. We've got Miss Ava. Ava, who's your teacher?
Mrs. Morris.
All right. And how old are you, Ava?
7.
And your birthday's actually today, isn't it? All right. Happy birthday. Hey, we had Lily. Lily celebrated a birthday earlier this month. Lily, who's your teacher?
Mrs. Bond.
And how old did you turn on your birthday, Lily?
5.
All right. Happy belated birthday to you. Hey, then we've got Isabella. Isabella, who's your teacher?
Mrs. Pond.
And when was your birthday?
August the 18th.
Okay. Now, are you in Mrs. Pond's class? I didn't think so. Who's your teacher?
Mrs. Cunningham.
Yeah. Were you in Mrs. Pond's class last year? No? Okay. You just repeating. Hey, happy belated birthday to you, Isabella. Hey, and how about Kaylee? Who's your teacher?
Mrs. Christian.
And you had a birthday just maybe a week ago or so. How old did you turn?
5.
Hey, happy belated birthday to you. Then we've got two girls down here. Hey, I've got, let's see, Haley. Hey, Haley, who's your teacher?
Mrs. Massey.
All right. And you had a birthday and you turned how old?
5.
Okay, happy belated birthday to you. And we've got Alexis. Hey, Alexis, who's your teacher?
Mrs. Strater.
Okay, and how old did you turn on your birthday?
6.
All right, happy belated birthday to you. All right, boys and girls, real important announcement. We are having a problem in the restroom. Okay, I know everybody went through some training. We talked about how to behave in the restroom, but we're not doing it the right way. When you finish using the restroom, you need to go over to the sink. 1 squirt of soap. We're wasting so much soap. It's on the floor. It's on the sinks. Not okay. You need to get 1 squirt of soap. Wash your hands really good. Okay, tops and bottoms and in between. Rinse them off. And when you're finished rinsing, you need to let your hands drip at the sink before you go over 1, 2, 3 on the paper towels. The floor is getting wet. It's more than just people dripping water. Do you play in your bathrooms at home and splash water on the floor and on the walls?
No.
I bet not. You'd be in big trouble. Hey, don't do that here. We want to take care of our bathrooms. And if there gets to be water on the floor, do you know what's going to happen?
We're going to slip and fall.
Exactly. She's so right. Somebody's going to slip and fall and get hurt. So I want everybody to do a super job today. At the end of the day, I don't want to see any water on the floor, or after lunch and recess when everybody's in the restrooms, I don't want to see any water on the floor. Wash, drip, let your hands drip in the sink for a second, and then go get your paper towels. Make sure you put your paper towels in the trash can. One other thing. Today at recess, Mr. Tim is going to put some sidewalk chalk on the recess card, and that's a lot of fun, but there's a rule about sidewalk chalk. We use it only on the blacktop. That's the part of the parking lot where we actually have cars. Even though it's called sidewalk chalk, we don't want it up on the sidewalk. You go out on the blacktop only, and certainly never use chalk on the building. Okay? So as long as we follow the rules, we'll get to have sidewalk chalk at recess. All right, let's see. We got Spirit Day tomorrow. First graders, make sure you wear your red and black, your Tecumseh gear tomorrow. Hey, and Manuel, tell us what's for lunch today.
Fish taco.
All right, sounds good. Drew, what about our weather today?
Sunny.
All right, flip that around there. All right, so we'll be outside again for recess. Super. Thank you for joining us on another edition of the Donnelsville News. Have a great day. Remember, we're all here to
Lord.
All right, and before we go to the Pledge of Allegiance, kindergartners, we think this belongs to one of you that you left when you were here, hey, on Tuesday. Okay, Transformer lunchbox. Okay, and we also have this book bag that was left down there. It's a blue book bag. There's no name on it. We also have one more book bag swapped this morning. Make sure that you look at your bus tag and make sure you're getting the right book bag, because a lot of people have the same one. This morning it was a Hello Kitty. Somebody took the wrong one. So check your bus tags before you take that book bag out of the cafeteria. We also have a green and gray jacket that's flying in here. Okay, if this belongs to you, okay, again, there's no name in it. Please ask your mom and dads to help you get names on things. Okay, please stand and join us in the saying of the Pledge of Allegiance.